President of Waiton Merapaibi Wahengbam Manbi has urged Centre to end the conflict within 7 days while also assuring that weapons will be surrendered to government 48 hours if Centre manages to work out a solution for the ongoing crisis. Wahengbam Manbi said this on the sidelines of protest which was held against arrest of village volunteers. Merapaibi members from Waiton, Pangai, Kundrakpam, Tangkham and Morogingkhol took part in the protest which was held at Pangai Bazaar. Speaking further, Wahengbam Manbi said women in the state are against the arrest of Meitei village volunteers while giving free hands to Kuki militants in the hills. She challenged Centre to bring out a solution within 7 days while assuring to surrender every weapon once the solution is achieved.
Manipuri Perza Amoina, Isasingi Mama Moina, Gaxam said that love of Modu will come to the Sukia, pick up from the Tote, Kadi Singa, Tawaibu, Yolaga, Miki Masada, Kalaga, Isada, Nasala, who is asking the Hyper Yagata Mamado, Manipuri, my dancing, but the Amata Yanke, Adana, Modu will come to the Putaka cancer of them. Kalikuma Kandi say Amata Yangana is asking at all. Atoba Motam Hadok is asking Makoy to Pava Habitat, Sukia Yading, and this Amata Yang is asking at all.